just thought we would do one last video before Christmas. This was a spur of the moment type of thing. That's kind of how I operate. I'm kind of a spur of the moment kind of guy. Would you agree?
Yes. And I'm a planner.
She's a planner. I don't like plans.
He's spontaneous.
Because plans mess up my spontaneousism. But anyway, so this video was last moment. We're actually trying to get ready for a Christmas party that we're going to, but I thought, let's do this. So we just wanted to take a few minutes and tell you guys, number one, Merry Christmas, and go ahead.
I said, yep.
I tend to talk more. Some of you remind me of that, and it's just my personality. I just talk, but
I'm more quiet, so it's fine.
Yeah, so just nudge me if you want to say something. Okay. So I wanted to, again, just say Merry Christmas. I'll probably have another video before the new year, so probably not the last video of the year, but definitely being this is Christmas Eve, and I plan to get this uploaded just as soon as we end it. Wanted to tell you guys that I'm very thankful for all your support throughout this year. This has been a great year. The channel has grown a lot more than I expected it to, and that's not because of me, that's because of you guys, so I want to say thank you. Really quick, I wanted to, in the spontaneous moment of thinking let's do a video, I thought, you know what would be, it's Christmas, right? And I don't know if I don't think Christmas is truly about giving and receiving or anything like that, but I thought that it would be great to give something. So I ran out to my shop and I said, here's two. So I've got these two model kits right here. It's the 69 Hurst Olds. This is one of my most favorite ones to build. This one was so fun. And here's the 75 Gremlin. So either one of these, what we're going to do, and the reason I wanted to, I want to give one of these away. I guess I could give them both away, but I think I'm going to give one away. It'll just be one winner. Some sort of contest. I don't like necessarily the draw a number, what's a number, guess a number, but because the occasion is Christmas, if you have a Christmas story that you would like to share, or a tradition, or something that's funny or sentimental or anything like that, is that what we were talking about? I didn't get off course, did I? Share your favorite Christmas memory. That would be better. Your Christmas memory. It could be a story. It could be a tradition. But if you have a memory as well. For instance, I have one. It's a memory. It's funny. Me and my brother were very anxious at Christmas. I have one brother. He's an older brother. He's 2 years older than me. And we were always so anxious at Christmas time that we would be a little overzealous and get up like too early. And one morning I remember we woke up, it was just a little after 1 a.m. and we went and asked my mom and dad if they would get up, and they didn't. I think they finally got up around 4 a.m. and we opened up presents, but we were so eager to get up. It was so much fun to us. And you said you had a memory?
I can just remember as a kid, we lived in Illinois, and we woke up and my mom had put, which we didn't know my mom had done this, she had put snow on the fireplace, right in front of the fireplace floor. And, you know, we had thought, oh my goodness, there's snow left from where Santa had come, you know, and I think she had even put like tracks out in the snow outside. But, you know, the reindeer's supposed to land on your roof, but there were tracks out there that she put out there. So anyway, it was real special.
And girls, don't you have a special Christmas memory you'd like to share?
Yeah, we told them to think about one, and they're like, they don't have any. I'm like, man, we filmed.
Let me say something real fast. They don't have the zealous spirit that me and my brother had for Christmas. We have had to wake them up before to get them up for Christmas.
Listen, we wake them up in the morning and like they say 5 more minutes, and then like 2 hours later they finally get up. It's always
that's very rare. What about you, Ellie? Do you have any fond Christmas memories? Oh, not to mention that these are our two youngest. Our two oldest have already moved out. We have Gracie, which is our oldest. She's 20. And Joseph is 18, about to be 19. And they've already moved out. So these are the last two. But we have had a lot of fun Christmases and things like that. But anyway, again, this video is just to say thank you for your support. Merry Christmas. And don't forget to, in the comment section, and whoever so what we'll do It's just we'll read through those stories, those recollections that you guys have, and we'll just pick one that stands out to
All
us.
4 of us are reading.
We'll all read them, and we'll pick one that stands out. And then just tell me which one of these kits you want whenever I reach out to you and say, hey, you're the winner, and you can have either one of these, and we'll ship it to you. And you'll obviously get it probably after the new year, but it will be a gift from Model Car Videos and my family to you. So I just wanted to do that. Anything else you guys like to say? Oh, and not to mention, thank you for all the support for Heather doing her model kit.
Yeah.
And I can't wait for her to do it again. Please continue to reach out and say how you guys want more.
I'll probably do one. I
more
just have to.
Ladies.
School starts about to start back.
She's a
so.
homeschool mom, so she gets really, really busy. And I plan on Ruthie getting back in there and finishing one for JaxCon. That's in February. And Ellie might even, shy little Ellie here, look at the camera, look at the camera. Shy little Ellie may even get out there and build one with me as well. But you guys that will be at JaxCon,
She's saying no.
She's saying no, she'll do it. If Daddy tells her to, she's going to do it. But JaxCon, February the 12th, we plan on being there, so get to meet all of you guys that will be at JaxCon and get to see Heather's truck and hopefully Ruthie's car, and I'll bring a few things hopefully too.
You're going to take her boat?
We'll see. I don't know if they have those classes. I'll have to find what classes they have there at JaxCon. But anyway, I'm not even sure if JaxCon is just a car only or is it IPMS? Does it have everything? I don't know. If you guys know what JaxCon, I guess I could get on the internet and look myself. But anyway, guys, wrapping it up. Thanks for your support this year. If this is the last one, then Happy New Year, but it's probably not. And I'll probably forget to tell you Happy New Year on the next video. So anyway, Happy New Year 2022. Hopefully it is different than 2021 in more ways than we could imagine. But Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, everybody. You guys take care, and don't forget to tell me your story, and the winner, we will surely ship you this model kit. So y'all take care. Merry Christmas. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.